If you are using these things that I've shown you and you did not see changes on your skin in 2 months, come back to my comment section and tell me, Ella, you dey lie. This thing when you talk so, I know they see change on my skin for 2 months. Try this. Come back and come and follow me to argue here on my comment section. In 2 months, you're going to see change on your skin. Welcome to Ella Skincare, where I give you the best day advice on skincare, cream use, and natural remedy. If this is your first time on my channel, you are absolutely welcome, and if you're returning, you are warmly welcome. How you doing? Hope you are doing good. So, lovely, as you see in the title today, I'm going to talk about how to get rid of your stretch mark, how to fade your stretch mark on a budget. Okay, on a budget. Like you all know, I sell my own personal products and my stretch mark lotion. Stretch mark lotion which contains stretch mark oils and stretch mark products. They are not cheap, okay? They are expensive, and some of you have been complaining that you don't have money to buy. Why some are buying, some say they cannot afford it. Okay, now that's the reason why I am making this video, to give you all an affordable way to treat your stretch mark on a budget. Okay, to fade your stretch mark on a budget without you having 15,000 naira to buy from me. Okay, because my own is 15,000 naira. Without you having 15,000 naira to buy from me, you can still try this method I'm about to show you, and you still get effective result. Okay, so lovely, before we jump into the video, before I go straight to the video, if you don't follow me on Instagram, please follow me on Instagram at EllaSkincare_1, and chat me up on WhatsApp if you want to buy any skincare products, haircare products, supplements, okay, skincare training, skincare ebooks, and the rest. Chat me up on WhatsApp, let me be your plug, and I deliver worldwide. Okay, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed. Subscription is free. Subscribe by hitting the red subscribe button, and also hit the notification bell to get notified anytime I upload new videos. Feel free to share this video to your family and friends, because you never can tell who this video might be of help to. Honestly, you never can tell who this video might be of help to. And along the line, as you're watching this video, if you love this video and you like this video, hit the thumbs up button to say let me know you love this video. Now let's go into the video. Let's go. Like I said earlier, I'm going to show you how to get rid of your stretch mark. Now, a little disclaimer here. For you to get rid of your stretch mark, okay, you have to be very patient. Okay, you have to be patient. If you have new stretch mark, congratulations to you. Your stretch mark can be wiped off with these things that I'm about to show you, and these simple tricks and hacks that I'm about to show you. Your stretch mark will wipe off. You wipe off if you are patient. Okay, if you are patient for your new stretch mark. Now, if you have old stretch mark on your skin, your old marks, I said old marks on your skin, old ones, okay, old stretch mark that have been there for a year, like years, you cannot get rid of them, but you can fade them. Yes, I for one am an example of someone that has faded a stretch mark to look at like a skin tone. Okay, to look like my skin tone, because the reason I went into skincare was because of stretch marks. I said this over and over in some of my videos. I went into skincare to learn a lot because of stretch mark, because I got my skin damaged as a result of not having money as a student to buy good products. I was just buying these cheap products over the counter to just make sure I get white. But then I didn't know anything about skincare. Then that was why I took the pain, save up lots of money to learn about skincare, and I'm still learning. I just even came back from some training last month. So yes, so for you to fade your old stretch mark, so the first thing you want to have in your house is this. You want to have this. And a lot of people say, Ella, you said it's on a budget, why are you holding the full roll? Yes, I'm going to explain, so you just have to be very patient with me. Okay, you want to have this, okay, your Skin Doctor stretch mark ampoules. This one, you want to have it. Look at it very well. You can see how the real color looks like. So for those of you who are thinking Ella is using filter, I'm not get time to use filter. Look me very well. This is my real skin for my own personal skincare products. So this don't mind me. This is how it looks like. Okay. The next thing you want to have is Kenako. Is that you get this Kenako or you get the crude Kenako? For me, I would say if you don't know how to make the crude Kenako, shine your eyes very well before you buy crude Kenako out there in the market. Shine your eyes very well, because this crude Kenako out there, lots of them are fake. In fact, most of them are rubbish. Total rubbish. I don't want to break people's market this morning, so man not to talk. So shine your eye very well before you buy crude Kenako. Another thing you want to have is miracle powder. You want to have miracle powder with you when you are battling with stretch mark on a budget. Another thing you want to have is the original lavender oil, lavender serum. In fact, I don't know why I call this oil all the time. Okay, lavender cloth of skin. You want to have this. This is how it looks like. Okay, you want to have original lavender cloth of skin. This is what you want to have with you. Original one. Original. You need Scenic. Okay, you need Scenic Perfect Leg, but you need both of them. You need the blue one and the green one. I'm going to explain how to substitute for some. Okay, I'm just trying to show you stores that you need, but I'm going to show you how to use them on a budget, how to leave some, how to drop some and use some that will help you. You need Bow oil or Rescue oil. You need Recovery oil. Okay, I don't have that right here with me. I don't want to get up from this place. I don't want to get up. I don't have it right here, like right now. Okay, you need Bow oil. You need Bow oil or Rescue oil. You need Recovery oil. You need this lotion. You need this Cove stretch mark lotion. Then you call it Cove. Okay, I call Cove. Anyway, you want to call them. So you need this stretch mark lotion. Actually, Promix this and sell. Some of you know this already. So you need this lotion on its own. You can just get this lotion. This lotion is not that expensive, but it's not really on a budget. Okay, but it's not really on a budget. But you need this. But if you need something that is on a budget, you need this lotion. This is Q7. I'm using the front part of my camera. That's why you're seeing it like this. Is Q7 Carrot. This Q7 Carrot is written whitening body lotion, but this is not a whitening body lotion. Yes, this is not a whitening body lotion. Just look at it very well. This is the one I'm talking about. Okay, this is how this one looks like. I sell it just in case you cannot get it in the market. We have this in stock. This is the lotion you will use to replace this one, or use any mild lotion of your choice to replace this. Okay, use any mild lotion of your choice to replace this. How do you get rid of your stretch mark on a budget? Is it that you get this lotion or you get 18 karat gold lotion? Okay, I've talked about 18 karat gold lotion. If you've not watched my 18 karat gold lotion review, check it out. Link will be on description box. Okay, watch the video. You will love that lotion. In fact, as a matter of fact, drop this and get 18 karat gold lotion. Okay, now you want to get your 18 karat gold lotion or any lotion of your choice, but mind you, you don't want to get a strong whitening lotion when you want to get rid of your stretch mark. Listen, you don't want to get an hydroquinone lotion, a lotion that is packed with hydroquinone, 100% bongbang steroid, when you want to get rid of your stretch mark, or when you want to fade your stretch mark. You don't need a steroid lotion. I know some of you will be like, Ella, but you say whitening lotion that get rid of stretch mark. Yes, I do, and that's because it's gone through some process. Okay, only my students and those that want to learn can know that. But this one, I'm telling you how to get rid of it on a budget. That one is not on a budget. This is on a budget. Now you need 2 of these. Okay, 2 of your Skin Doctor ampoules. That's how it should look like when you're buying it. If you're not seeing this kind of color inside, please do not buy. If it's looking like white, don't buy. If it's looking like overlight lemon, don't buy. This is how it should look like when you're buying it. This is how the original one looks like, because this one now, we don't know where they made the other one from. I don't want to call it fake, but this is how it should look like when you're buying it. You need 2 of this. Just buy it. 500, 600, that's how they say this. Okay, 500, 600, maximum 700 if it's very high, because these ampoules, they now increase the price. So if it's very high, it's 700, but it's no more than 500 naira. I need 1 miracle powder. Okay, we need 1 miracle powder. This is not a must when you want to get rid of a stretch mark. This is not a must for you to have when you want to get rid of a stretch mark, because the way they increase the price of this thing, I don't understand. This is not a must when you want to get rid of a stretch mark. You must not have this, but you should have this. Okay, but you should have this. Okay, you can share this into 2 for your 250-gram lotion. Okay, you take half of this with your 2 ampoules and your 1 miracle powder. 15 ml of your perfect leg stage 2 and your perfect leg stage 1. 15 ml each. 15 ml each. Some people measure this in the market. I've seen people that measure this in the market for people. So go to people that measure. Okay, they to give you measurements. You can take 15 ml or this. They sell one cover. Some people would sell one cover for like 300. Okay, I've seen some people that sell one cover for 200. Anyway, so you can buy one cover of this stage 2 and one cover of stage 1. Add it to your lotion and get either bow oil or rescue oil. Either bow oil or rescue oil. You can get any one of these two. They are doing the same thing. To me, I even feel bow oil, rescue oil, and recovery oil, they are the same. Okay, bow oil, recovery oil, rescue oil, they are the same. If you look at their ingredients and you look at the way they work, they are the same. Okay, they are the same. And so there's no need for you to start getting bow oil, rescue oil, recovery oil at the same time. Since you're on a budget, just get recovery oil and bow oil. Now for that your 250 ml lotion, you're going to use half of that your bow oil. Now I'm not talking about the long bow oil, okay, the medium size bow oil. I'm going to put the pic on the screen for you to see. You get half of a medium size bow oil. You get one cover of this stage 2, get one cover of stage 1. It's not really necessary, but if you want to add Kenako to it, is a plus. If you want to add Kenako, but this is on a budget, you can do without Kenako. You can stay without Kenako if you're on a budget. You get your lavender, you share it into 2. Lavender cloth of skin, you share your lavender cloth of skin into 2. You get 1 miracle powder and you get 2 of this. Okay, you get 2 of this and add it to your lotion. Mix it to your lotion. Like I said, your lotion is not going to be a strong whitening lotion, but it can be a mild lightening lotion, because you are trying to get rid of your stretch mark. You are trying to fade that stretch mark to look like your skin level. I have stretch mark in my arms here, but I'm sure you cannot see them. Okay, you cannot see them because I've faded them to look like my skin. I'm going to put my former picture here for you when I was dark. Okay, you can see then I was black, for you to see my stretch mark. I've got stretch mark for long time. Even when I was dark, I fade the stretch mark with my own personal product, but you can still use this to fade your stretch mark. Okay, so you can use this to fade your stretch mark, but when you're using this to fade your stretch mark, one thing you should know is that you should put at the back of your mind is that you should be very, very patient with it. Okay, be very patient with your stretch mark cream. When you're trying to get rid of your stretch mark, you should not be in a hurry, especially when you're on a budget. Okay, you should not be in a hurry to like fade your stretch mark. You should not be in a hurry. Now, these things that I've just shown you, if you have new stretch mark, these things will take your stretch mark away. If you want to make this a plus, you want to make it very, very fast, use a coffee scrub. If you don't know coffee scrub to get, or you don't know any coffee scrub to get, you can buy coffee scrub from us. We have coffee scrub on a budget, we have coffee scrub on a high level. Okay, we have different prices and different sizes for you to use on coffee scrub. But if you know how to make coffee scrub on your own, why not make coffee scrub on your own and use a coffee scrub? Okay, it helps a lot. Coffee scrub will help to repair your skin, tighten those pores. Okay, help to like fade your stretch mark, to make your skin firm. Okay, make your skin firm. Coffee scrub help a lot. Now, as you are using this, like I said earlier, be very patient with it, and trust me, in 2 months you start to see changes on your skin. See, if you are using these things that I've shown you and you not see changes on your skin in 2 months, come back to my comment section and tell me, Ella, you dey lie. This thing when you talk so, I know they see change on my skin for 2 months. Try this. Come back and come and follow me to argue here on my comment section. In 2 months, you're going to see change on your skin. Be very patient. Use a mild lotion. Don't use a lotion that would tear your skin. Don't use a lotion that will be very aggressive on your skin. Just do it in a mild, low and steady way. You will see results. Okay, you will see great results on your skin. So lovelies, that's the end of this video. That's how to get rid of a stretch mark on a budget. Alright lovelies, that's the end of this video. Till I see you in my next video, I always say remain blessed. Bye bye.